What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect ESCs and motors to your quadcopter. So you're going to need a soldering iron, so make sure you have one, and this is part 1 of my series. There's going to be a few more parts coming soon, so make sure you check back for that. So again, this is ESCs and motors connecting to your quadcopter. First off, get your arm and your motor. Then you want to position your motor on the arm where you want it to go. Make sure the wires are facing inward. Then you need to thread through the wires one at a time into one of the holes of the arm. Make sure they're all in the same hole, as this will look a lot cleaner. Once you've threaded them through, thread the screws in and tighten them up. Tighten them partially and then all tighten them up at once. This is what it should look like. So now you want to get your ESCs and put them in a stand or a clamp or whatever you want to use, and just tin the ends of the wires. Make sure that the solder drips down all the way through the wires so that it will have a better connection when you're trying to connect the bullet connectors to it. Now you're going to flip it over and do the other side, because sometimes the solder doesn't drip down, so you need to make sure to do both sides. Now you're going to get your bullet connector and tin that as well. So you're going to heat up the bullet connector and just fill the little hole up with solder. And go ahead and do this to all of your bullet connectors so that you can put them on the ESCs. Now you're going to clip it in again and heat it up and push the little end of the ESCs into the bullet connector. Make sure that you do it straight. Then what you're going to want to do is cut 2 lengths of heat shrink that are about just covering after the wire, and then thread them on and shrink them on with a soldering iron barrel. Once you've done that, you are going to want to get your main base power distribution board, and you're going to fill all the little connections with a bubble of solder. Once you've done that, you're going to thread or push the wires into the solder. Make sure that red goes to plus and black goes to minus. Now you're going to flip it over, ensuring that the wires of the ESC go through the gap under the arm, and you're going to tighten the screws with an Allen key screwdriver. And this is what the finished product's going to look like. Hope you enjoyed the video, and check back for part 2.